Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Today I'm showing you another quick and simple hairstyle, and it's I think 5 to 10 minutes prepping your hair in the morning. That's like what I can afford most days. My hair was blow dried a few days back and it's beginning to flake a little, so forgive me for that. I have 3 sections parted, 2 in front and 1 big part at the back. I'm mixing this gel and Natural Organics Twist and Shine so that it can be more moisturizing to my hair, and it also holds down my hair just enough without compromising the natural texture of my hair. So my hair is not slicked down, but it is kept in place. If that makes any sense, then you got me. Okay, so here on this small section, I do a tight flat twist. Don't worry, it's not very tight to cause any damage to my hair. This is a variation of one of my staple hairstyles that I do a lot of times. One that I can do without looking in the mirror. It is also very easy and it gives me lots of volume without even trying. Do you have a staple hairstyle or a go-to hairstyle? Please share yours in the comments below. I would love to hear them and maybe also try them out if possible someday. I apply a bit more Natural Organics Twist and Shine whipped shea butter at the end of the twist. Just, for some moisture and some control. Like shea butter also controls frizz, so that's why I'm putting it there. And now I'm working on the other front section. And that's the gel and shea butter mix for hold with texture. On this section, I want volume, so I twist lightly. Besides, the section is bigger as well. Thank you so much for all that you're doing for my channel, the sharing, the comments, the love that you've shown me. I am so grateful. So thank you so much. And some shea butter to finish. And now the back section. Just the Natural Organics Twist and Shine whipped shea butter will do. I don't really want to apply gel there. It's unnecessary. And I take the 2 twists from the front, cross them together and pin them down with 2 pins. To make it a protective style, I take the hair at the back and pin it up. But today, I'm only pinning up one side without twisting. And the other side, I twist lightly before folding the hair and pinning it down. This creates a subtle low bun. Okay, so I was gifted this pin by my son, and that is what I'm using to zhuzh up the hairstyle. Okay, so some neatening of the front baby hairs. I'm becoming good at this. Yeah, I've been practicing. I am done. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Bye.